Hi everyone, I'm Nancy. Today I'm excited to show you how the NearHub board can help you improve productivity, enable hybrid working, and have much more efficient meetings. So let's dive straight in. The NearHub board is not just a smart board. It is an all-in-one interactive whiteboard for hybrid collaboration. It has a complete collaboration system, including hardware and software that work together seamlessly. We have a 4K screen that allows smooth handwriting, our smart camera, our microphone, and our portable stand, which all together makes our most powerful, fast, and portable all-in-one collaboration hub. With one click on Zoom software, I can open the meeting, quickly accessing the brainstorming session I have scheduled. Moreover, you can choose from 3 camera work modes. The first one is auto framing. The second one is speaker tracking mode. And thirdly, gallery view. Once we join the meeting, we may have people remote or locally. Today, we have someone remotely joining the meeting. Hi Ella, how are you?
Hi Nancy, I'm fine.
Now let's start collaborating. Now let's jump to the Canvas app. But I'm still in the meeting and Ella can see what I do on the whiteboard. So we are going to take advantage of our split screen. We can open Firefox and our Canvas app, running these two apps side by side for multitasking. We can make annotations on this app. Save the screen, and it will be sent to our Canvas app right away. The next feature of the whiteboard is that we can share our notes and collaborate with other people. We can do this in 4 ways. We can share by our email, our Canvas code, link, and QR code. Also, you can choose whether invitees can view or edit. Now Ella is joining the Canvas via our inviting code and the QR code. In the Canvas, we can make annotations in real time. We can use our pen tool, our lasso tool, eraser, graphics, and sticky notes. Now Ella is using a sticky notes to share her ideas with us. Also, there are multiple templates to choose from. There are a small map on the left. With it, you can just use a finger to pull the whole screen. Now see how the presentation mode works. With one click, I can open the presentation mode and now Ella can follow my point of view. When the collaboration is over, we can share it as a PDF. We can share via email or QR code. So our other team members can share the information right away. Another great benefit of the board is that we can share our screen from any phone, tablet, or computer via Screencast, AirPlay, a direct HDMI connection, and AP mode. Now, one of our colleagues is screening her smartphone with AirPlay, and our remote colleague Ella is also casting her screen through eShare. The screens of their phone and computer appeared simultaneously on the whiteboard. A highly convenient feature is that we can directly manipulate the content they project onto the whiteboard. For example, I can directly control the content Ella just screened. And I can make annotations on it. To streamline your work even further, we have all of your favorite apps, including Google, Zoom, Microsoft Word, and more. You can download any apps you want from Google Store. Let's go ahead and open an Excel file. We are able to make data reviews a lot more engaging, interesting, and interactive. So why is NearHub essential for any business? It's because it's a flexible solution designed to support team collaboration, either in person, hybrid, or remote. From brainstorming to presentations, NearHub is going to streamline your workflow with an all-in-one solution. We would love to show you how NearHub can help you and your team. Thank you so much for watching.